New Generation Home Pro Incorporated, Home Alarm and Camera Systems is located in 96 Beach Walk Blvd Suite 202, Conroe, Texas, and is easily accessible from all parts of the city by auto, train, and bus. Some of the closets, business and attractions closets to New Generation Home Pro Incorporated, Home Alarm and Camera Systems are Crawfish Nick Incorporated, Lake Conroe Homes Resort, El Bosque, Best Western Lake Conroe Inn. You can get here by bus as well. More information in the description box. New Generation Home Pro Incorporated, Home Alarm and Camera Systems. Address: 96 Beach Walk Blvd Suite 202, Conroe, Texas 77304, United States. For more information, give us a call at 936-205-2735.